In Irvine, California, a shocking story emerged. 2 doctors, a broken marriage, and a stunning accusation. Dr. Yue Emily Yu, a dermatologist, and her husband Dr. Jack Chen, a radiologist, saw their lives unravel in 2022. Dr. Chen went to police, claiming his wife was poisoning him with Drano, a common drain cleaner. He alleged she poured it into his hot lemonade and tea over several months. The case quickly drew public attention, exposing turmoil behind their seemingly perfect family. Dr. Yu was arrested and charged with 3 felony counts of poisoning and 1 count of domestic battery. Dr. Chen's health had been deteriorating. He suffered from stomach ulcers, gastritis, and esophageal inflammation. As his symptoms worsened, he grew suspicious of the drinks his wife prepared. He began to question everything in their daily routine. The stage was set for a dramatic legal battle, with both their futures at stake. The case was more than a simple accusation. It was a window into a family in crisis. Dr. Chen's suspicions would soon lead him to take drastic action. The story was no longer about a marriage, but about survival and trust. What really happened in that Irvine home would soon become a matter for the courts, and the evidence was about to get very real. Growing desperate, Dr. Chen installed hidden cameras in the kitchen. He wanted proof of what he suspected. The footage, he claimed, showed Dr. Yu taking Drano from under the sink and pouring it into his drink container. This video became the prosecution's key evidence. Prosecutors argued the footage was clear. Dr. Yu was deliberately poisoning her husband. Dr. Chen's medical records seemed to match the effects of ingesting Drano. The case looked open and shut, until the defense offered a different explanation. The meaning of those silent, grainy images would become the heart of the trial. Was it attempted murder, or something else entirely? The video evidence, once so damning, was now up for debate. The truth behind those kitchen moments would be fiercely contested. The jury would have to decide what they really saw. Dr. Yu's defense didn't deny she handled Drano. Instead, they claimed she was fighting an ant infestation, not poisoning her husband. Her lawyer argued she mixed Drano with lemonade to create an ant trap, a method Dr. Chen himself had suggested. The defense said Dr. Chen's health issues were due to GERD, not poisoning. They painted Dr. Yu as a caring doctor and mother, not a criminal. The defense argued the poisoning claim was a tactic in a bitter divorce. They challenged the credibility of Dr. Chen's accusations. The case became a battle of narratives, attempted murder, or misunderstood pest control. The defense aimed to create reasonable doubt. Was Dr. Yu a villain or a victim of circumstance? The jury would have to weigh the evidence and decide. The truth was murkier than anyone expected. The stakes couldn't be higher. The poisoning allegations surfaced during a nasty divorce and custody fight. Dr. Chen filed for a restraining order and divorce on the same day. He accused Dr. Yu and her mother of emotional abuse and creating a toxic home. Dr. Yu's team claimed these were lies to gain an advantage in court. They argued Dr. Chen was using the legal system to win custody and damage her reputation. The criminal case and divorce became inseparable. Every piece of evidence was colored by their marital conflict. Was Dr. Chen a victim, or was Dr. Yu being framed? The truth was tangled in years of resentment and mistrust. The case was no longer just about poisoning, it was about power, control, and family. The real story was hidden behind closed doors. The public could only guess at what really happened. The battle for truth, and for their children, raged on. Just as the case neared a hearing, prosecutors dropped all charges against Dr. Yu. The reason? Their key witness, Dr. Chen, was medically unavailable. The dismissal was procedural, not an exoneration. Prosecutors vowed to refile charges once their witness could testify. Dr. Yu's future remains uncertain. The threat of prosecution still hangs over her. If convicted, she could face up to 8 years in prison. As of October 2025, the case is unresolved. Was this a case of attempted murder, or a false accusation in a bitter divorce? The hidden camera footage and conflicting stories await their day in court. For now, justice is on hold in Irvine, California. The truth remains locked behind a door only the courts can open.